Yeah. Hey burpees, well, welcome back. So we're just gonna get into this, all right? I am going to be trying wrap snacks. It's hot. Woo! So I'm trying the creamy chicken wrap snacks from MasterP. Yeah, creamy chicken gumbo flavor. I think it's hot right now. And I'm trying E40 beef prime rib. And I'm gonna be burping. That's it. All right, first burp of the day. Let's try the creamy chicken gumbo flavor. Yeah. It's okay. It's not bad, but it can have more flavor. Excuse me. What the hell is that? All right. Let's try the prime rib. Look at my curly bush, y'all. So I thought I was getting dreads this week, but I'm not. I'm gonna get them next week. So yeah. Cause it's so hot. Honestly, they both ain't got no damn flavor like that. Excuse me, why my burps are getting stuck. They're not coming out, it's making me angry. Oh, there it was, excuse me. Like that joint was stuck in there. I'm gonna try this one again. I think creamy gumbo has more flavor than the prime rib. They ain't better than Oodles and Noodles though. I mean, cup of noodles, they're not better. Cup of noodles has way more flavor. This tastes soapy. What the hell? I'm good on that. Oh. My burps keep getting stuck right here and it's really angering me. FedEx. Excuse me. There we go. Yeah, these are good. I should have got some hot sauce. They're not bomb, but they just taste better than that. The prime rib. Ugh. Excuse me. But after a while, this shit get nasty too. What the hell? Ugh, this is just nasty. I'm gonna give wrap snacks a no. They chips be bomb. I'm gonna spit this out. That shit tastes soapy. You guys, this is nasty. Excuse me. So this was not good. So let's just do some burps. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. How you like that? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You guys, I can't. But let's keep going. I'm hungry though. Like for real, I'm legit hungry. It's so nasty. I don't know what it is about these noodles. And like I got these noodles a minute ago. My husband had found them in a convenience store. He was like, look, they got the wrap snacks. I was like, oh, grab me some. And they've been sitting in my house for like a month and a half, 2 months maybe. And I don't know why. I just haven't been wanting to eat them. And I see why. Because I just knew, maybe I knew it wasn't going to be that good. I don't know. I don't know. Excuse me. That was small ones. That was small ones. I'm actually filling myself up. Drinking so much. They get stuck right here. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. This noodle tasting was disgusting, okay? I don't like wrap snacks, but let me go ahead and bring it back to get a picture with the Rabbies. Excuse me. Okay, listen. I'm out of here, guys. If I don't see y'all before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I hope everyone gets what they wanted, and I hope everyone gets what they deserve. Holla at me. Holla at me on the flip side. Wrap snacks, it's your wrap snack. Yeah, no, tell me where to go. Sorry.